Are you being annoyed by the Cbscore Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Cbscore Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Cbscore Library, the component-based servicing CBS Core. It manages the unmanaged localized orchestration of localized Windows updates and localized feature installations. Failure results in localized Windows update or localized SFC errors. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Since Cbscore Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Cbscore Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Cbscore Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Cbscore library references. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Cbscore library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.